So hi guys, today I'm making a video on lightning bolt. Well, it was Ninja Man videos, but now it's lightning bolt. Yeah guys, I just want to show you it. Yeah, it's just mean, it's full of mean, and I don't like it. But that's just them. So yeah guys, they are just doing videos and videos on this R2CW. Well, not videos and videos, look like one video, yeah. I don't know why they're just saying horrible names in the video of him. It's just constant over again. And guys, I will be doing this on all of my channels, and I'm not doing that like a boss channel, JK boss. Yeah, I'm not doing that no more because I've just seen him. He's about 8 at the time, yeah guys, but I know he's not mature enough for YouTube. I know he ain't. So yeah guys, that just like saying that like, ooh, he's an idiot, I know it's not bad, but he's saying more stuff as well. Let me just type the name down. And I'll stick up for this Reese because he's done nothing wrong. They was all throwing stones at him. So he like threw a stone out the window and it cracked. So then they started doing a video, but it didn't mean to like. And yeah guys, I don't like it. Go on to all of my channel, go subscribe. So yeah guys, I just don't like it. Come on, Kayden, I know you can do better than this. Come on, mate. So yeah, just go straight up. It's that one there, guys. R2CW is an idiot and one big piece of poo. They're just like kid words, aren't they? Why do you have to do that? Why do they have to do that? It's 30 seconds long of him just repeating himself. How terrible was that?
Reese is an idiot, Reese.
See this, guys?
Reese is an idiot, Reese is an idiot, Reese is idiot, Reese. Yeah.
Well guys, first if you're going to do something like this to a guy, yeah, or a kid, actually get someone to do the rhyme like properly, like Reese is an idiot. But I'm joking, Reese is not an idiot. Come on Kayden, I know you can do better than this because he ain't done nothing. Come on, just leave him alone. So yeah guys, to say like kid words like piece of, you know, and stuff like that. And then he's got like these real cool effects thinking, oh yeah, it's real good and real cool and stuff. It's horrible, it's mean. Please share this video to everyone around you because I don't know why, just do it please.
Reese. You
hear that? It's not even joining on properly. Hear this guys? It's horrendous, isn't it, guys? It's horrible. I just don't like the way they say it. Like, now they're like friends now. But I'm gonna tell him, if you don't delete that video, yeah, I'm deleting our channel, yeah. And don't never to like come for me. I know this might be a bit harsh, but he needs to take down that video. I know it's nothing bad, but I think it's bad. So yeah, guys, just a quick video update. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you dudes in the next video. Bye.